Hello everybody and welcome to the week 1 module, and you probably just got finished watching the Getting Started module. Let's go into the week 1 module here. Again, the week 1 module, they're usually only 1 week long. However, if we look through here, you'll notice that I've given you till the 18th. I'm giving you 2 weeks to complete these. And for these Townsend Press quizzes, I've also given you till the 18th to complete them. Usually they're due within the same week, but again, I want to give you a little extra time to get acclimated to the course. So let's go through it. The first thing I'd like to do is give you the overview and objectives. Then you can look here for the objectives in the overview video that you're watching now. Possible attack. This is my way of just giving an agenda kind of look of how I would attack it. So watch the week 1 module, go through the Townsend Press video, which you'll see that plays in a little bit, and then I give you all the dates of everything that is due, just as a reminder. Come on, computer. Townsend Press is a outside vendor that I use, and it's really good. It gives you questions and gives you the answers if you get them wrong. It's just a good site that I like to use. And you'll go over that a little more once you click here. There's a video in there that you'll watch specifically on that. So I'm going to skip this through here. The reading quizzes. This here is just begin reading Cage Bird. Here is optional questions. If you click on it, you can click here or here and print these off. And I can tell you now that the questions that are used for the optional guiding questions are very similar to the questions on the quizzes. So if you want extra help or you want to look at those questions before you read the chapters, you'll know what to look for. You set your purpose. Come back out. And I've previously stated that any quiz I give all the instructions and everything you need. So let's click here. So Cage Bird, your first quiz is chapters 1 through 6. Read the novel. You can take the quiz, open up the questions, then read, or look for the questions again. Low stake quizzes. I just kind of want to make sure you're reading and following along, and make sure that you read these, that you're taking notes, because the discussion boards are based on them. A lot of the essays are based on them. I'm going to open up the discussion boards and the essays the other weeks that are coming up, so you can work at your own pace, but I advise you maybe jump ahead and look at the essay prompts and the discussion board prompts, because you may find quotes that you want to use as you're reading the novel in those prompts. So you don't have to, but I highly recommend it. You know, 2 birds, 1 stone. And then there's another quiz due on I Know Where the Cage Bird Sings, chapters 7 through 12. So this week looks light, and again, everything is due Sunday, the January 18th. It's kind of like the Getting Started module. They're a week long, but I'm giving you 2 weeks to complete these assignments. And now go to and watch the Join the Townsend Press overview video. Thank you.